All right, boys and girls, this is question number 2 in your Desmos for today. The instructions say to read the problem, show your work on the whiteboard, and then, of course, you're going to check this video to make sure your whiteboard looks like mine. A package of flour has a shape of a rectangular prism. The package holds 216 cubic inches of flour and has a base area of 24 square inches. How tall is the package of flour? Remember what you know about volume, right? We know that volume equals length times width times height. And of course, we want to show our work. So as I am thinking about this problem, as I read to you, right away, I'm thinking, so wait a second. They're telling me the volume already, which is 216 cubic inches. And they're telling me the base area, which is 24 squared inches, okay? So do you recall, we of course know we can find the volume by multiplying the length times the width times the height. We've also talked about how we can find the volume by taking the base area. We know that the area is the length times the width and multiplying it times the height. So this second formula is kind of what we're going to focus on to solve this problem. So now I'm going to fill in a few of these things to see what we know. All right. We know the volume is 216, and I'm just going to leave out my labels for right now. We'll get back to those at the end, but for right now, I'm going to focus on just the numbers. So we know that the volume's 216. We know that the base area is 24. We do not know what the height is. That's what they want us to find out. That's what it says over here. How tall is the package of flour? Well, in order to find the height, I need to do the opposite operation of multiplication. I need to do some division. I'm going to divide my volume by my area, and whatever the answer is, the quotient, that's going to give me my height. Okay, so let's set that up. 216 divided by 24. Okay, now I'm going to change my colors here just because I like to help keep my eyes engaged. So I'm going to think, well, can I put 24 into 2? No, I can't do that. Can I put 24 into 21? Nope, it's too much. How about 24 into 216? I sure can. And I'm going to do a little trial and error. Okay, so I'm going to take 24 and I'm going to write this on my paper, 24, and I'm going to multiply it times, actually that's a 4, not a 9, so make sure we get that. 24. I'm going to multiply it. I'm going to try 8. And the reason I thought, well, 8, which I know is probably not enough, but let's do it anyways. 8 times 4 is 32. Carry my 3. 8 times 2 is 16, plus my 3, 17, 18, 19 is 192. Now, I certainly could use that. It's not over 216, but I'm going to try 24 times, try it times 9. See if I can get closer, because the closer we get, the better we'll be, okay? Let's see here. I'm running out of space, aren't I? Let me go down here. I am. Let me move maybe this will help a little bit. There we go. So 9 times 4 is 6. Carry my 3. 9 times 2 is 18, plus my 3, 19, 20, 21. Oh, look, it's 216, and that's exactly what I need over here. So 24 can go into 216 9 whole times. So in long division, I'm going to multiply 9 times 24, which we know is 216. And I'm going to subtract. I get nothing because 216, take away 216 is 0. So now I am back here. My height is going to equal 9, but 9 what? I'm going to make it over here. Height is going to equal 9. Oh, let's see here. It looks like we're doing inches because volume is cubed, area squared, but just the regular measurement is the regular measurement. There we go. So height is going to equal 9 inches. Check your work against my work. If you need to make some changes, make some changes before you move to the next question.